Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can update Lightroom application on a mobile phone. Okay, let's get into it guys. I have opened my mobile phone and there is two methods to update our Lightroom application on mobile phone. The first method, you can go to your setting. I'm going to open up my setting and I'm going to check the version of my Lightroom. After we have opened the settings app, we need to go to the apps menu, and here we need to search for Lightroom application. Okay, I'm just going to scroll down to find it, this one. And if you want to check the update or the version of your Lightroom, you can check it right here guys. And if you want to update it, you can select app details in the store and it will bring you to the Google Play. And if there is an update, the update will appear right here guys. On this open button, there will be update button, and you can click on the button to update your Lightroom. But now my Lightroom is still up to date, so I just need to open it. Okay, if there's if there is an update, it will appear right here, and you just need to click update to update your Lightroom. Okay, or you can immediately go to your Play Store or Apple Store to update your Lightroom. You just need to open up the Play Store without opening your setting, and here you can go to the search menu and search for the Lightroom. Okay, and if you need to update it, you will update it right here. But my Lightroom, it's still up to date guys, so I don't need to update my Lightroom. Okay, that's easy, right? You just need to go to your setting or your Google Play Store to update this application. Or actually, you can immediately open up the Lightroom application, and then usually you will get notification on the Lightroom to update your Lightroom app. But now there is still no update, so I cannot update it right now guys. Okay guys, and that's all the way to update Lightroom application on mobile phone. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and if you found this tutorial useful, don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to the channel. Bye!